Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Jo, and in today's craft video we will be repurposing an old radio flyer wagon. Now you know I got to have something cute for my ring bearers to ride in. And can y'all believe that I purchased this double-seater radio flyer wagon for only $25 on Facebook Marketplace? I can't believe it. When I purchased this radio flyer, I knew right away the look that I wanted. I wanted something white. I wanted something rustic, something romantic that would go well with my wedding theme. Now, the first step and the most tedious step, the most time-consuming step, was sanding down this wagon. I knew that if I wanted this spray paint to stick to this wagon, I had to be very precise with my sanding. Step 2 was pretty easy. You're just covering up everything that you don't want to get spray painted, to include the wheels and the wagon handle. And step 3, I painted the wagon. I used the Dollar General spray paint, and it took a lot of coats. I mean a lot. I probably used close to 8 cans of spray paint at the Dollar General. I know they were so tired of seeing me because I kept going back to get more and more and more. But it was worth it. I so love the way that this wagon turned out. And what's a ring bearer wagon without bells? I purchased these bells from the Hobby Lobby, and I will be attaching them to the base of the wagon. But for now, we're just gonna have a photo out. I love the way my wagon turned out. Let me know if you like it by leaving a comment, by subscribing, by sharing. And as always, thank you all for crafting with me. I'm Sarah Jo, and I'll see you later.